Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Ram 1500 SLT Classic. It comes equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Cooper tires, as well as leather heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual exhaust, cruise control, navigation, and so much more. Check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and gray interior with lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom here. We got the speakers right next to it with more paneling, and the power locks, mirrors, and windows with chrome accent. We also have these black running boards here as well, and to these heated seats with cat skin covers on it, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and lighting controls. Left side of the steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition, and the right side will be your cruise control. The odometer you can pretty much access all your vehicle information. As you can see here, you're going to have your gauges, as well as you can also see your trip economy, trip A, trip B, as well as your trailer tow package, audio, stored messages, and just your regular screen setup. You're going to have the classic key, classic shifter with the dial, the 2 and 4-wheel drive. And let's go up to the infotainment system. You're going to have the heated seats as well as travel link, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access your rear backup camera, as well as the dimming mirror, and of course you can see navigation here as well. Dual zone climate control on the bottom. You're going to have the trailer brake controller with your tow mode, as well as the heated seats and steering wheel. Some more storage, and a 12-volt DC port inside the center console here. You're going to have more power as well. More storage. Passenger side's manually adjustable. It's that same finish. You're gonna have that cat skin cover with the double glove box as well. Speakers and vents up top. Some storage right there, as you can see. And then here you can access your reading lamps and your power rear sliding window. So you're gonna use 20-inch chrome wheels on Cooper Road Trail all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the Hemi and the classic badging, black mirror caps, and the paint match door handles as well. Coming to the back, the chrome bumper with the dual exhaust. It's pretty nice. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Here we're gonna have lamps as well as our bed tie downs, built-in cup holders at the tailgate. It's a very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage again on the bottom next to the speaker. Power windows, again more storage on the doors. Hop in the back, it's a crew cab, very good legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation and a 12-volt right below. Leather mats as well as cup holders right there. Cup holders in the armrest. Seats fold up for more storage. Lamps and hooks in the back, handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2019 Ram 1500 SLT Classic. Comes equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine, as well as Cooper all-terrain tires, as well as heated seats, navigation, mirror dimmer, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.